Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as the OnePlus 12 is coming closer and closer towards its launch, and there is also one more thing to notice, that the phone will be launching a much more expensive than its predecessor. The OnePlus 12 will be launching at a higher price, and here are the 4 reasons to justify that. Now, what are your thoughts about this video? Also let us know in the comment section below as well. Now we know that the OnePlus Watch is also launching with the OnePlus 12 series, and we'll be getting back into it in a different video. But right now, coming back to the circle, the 4 reasons why the OnePlus 12 will be priced higher than the OnePlus 11. Number 1 is about its camera, as the phone will be coming with the major camera upgrades which we have seen in the OnePlus Open, which was the flagship smartphone from the brand. The quad camera setup is indeed going to be the next generation of the OnePlus cameras, and finally we can have the flagship experience in the OnePlus 12 series of smartphones. The second of all about the price increase can be about its wireless charging and the IP rating as well. The OnePlus 11 did not have an IP certification and also the wireless charging support, as it did cut a cost, and the OnePlus was able to get the price of the OnePlus 11 at 57,000 rupees. But the OnePlus 12 will be having a wireless charging and also the reverse wireless charging. The wireless charging will be supported up to 50 watts of wireless charging, which is insane. And not only that, you will also be getting the IP68 water and dust resistance in the phone. Now the third thing is the major upgradation in the display tech used in the OnePlus 12, as the OnePlus 12 is going to be working in much more in the rainy conditions, as thanks to the OnePlus in-house rainwater touch tech. The company has also introduced this same tech in the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, which enables the screen to accurately process the touch input even when it's wet. Now, not only that, the phone will also be having the peak brightness of 4500 nits, which is insane. Now, the OnePlus Open right now has the highest peak brightness of 2800 nits, but considering a 4500 nits of peak brightness in a smartphone is the craziest thing to have in a phone as well. But last but not the least, the phone will indeed be coming with the flagship phone, so it will be coming with the flagship processor, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The highest, latest and greatest processor in the Android department, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be the processor to strive in the 2024, and the phone will be coming with all the top-notch features and to have coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Now, apart from that, overall the phone will be priced above 60,000 rupees in India. You can expect this phone to be launching above 60,000 rupees. However, there will be certain card discounts and offers and exchange bonuses on the OnePlus 12 as well. Now, what do you think about this phone and its considering its price? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.